Yes guys, what's up? How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha D's. Thank you guys so much for sticking and staying with me. So today in the kitchen I'm just going to be making a simple Jamaican dinner, just some chicken and rice. So yeah, we're gonna fry the chicken and then we're gonna cook it down. Some people call it brown stew, some people say it's fricassee, I don't know, but anyway, so we'll cook down some chicken, we'll fry it and we'll cook it down, and I'm gonna be serving this with some white rice. Yeah, so stick and stay. Don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to run on over to Nishi's channel so you guys will be a part of the family, okay? And remember, turn your post notification bell on so once a girl drop another video, you'll be first to notified. All right, come on, let's go. So yes guys, so yeah, right here, so now we just finished frying the chicken, and now it's time for me to cook it down. So put it back in the pot, and we're gonna add the seasoning, and then we're gonna get some water in this container, and then we're gonna add it also to the pot. And then we're gonna put a little sauce, some ketchup, a little bit of Diana sauce, a little vinegar, and yeah, we're just adding stuff to taste. All right, so go on, stick and stay. Alright guys, so there you have it, all nicely done, all nicely plated. Yeah, see there? Some little brown stew chicken and rice. It don't know upon a rainy day like today, Thursday, out of the door raining. Let me know what you guys think.